In this video, we're going to hardwire in this Noco Genius 2x2 to keep a battery charged in a car that doesn't get used too often. There's an option with these alligator clips where you can remove a 3mm screw, and then the wire can be separated from the alligator clip and used as an eyelet on the battery. The shorter wire can then be plugged into a larger wire Noco provides that can be run to a convenient location in the car to plug in the charger maintainer. Okay, with a 3mm Allen wrench, then we'll remove these eyelets. And there's also a second set of these alligator clips that can be used to charge a second battery if you wish, even while you're maintaining the other one. If you don't want to lose these, you might want to store them right back here. So these things are fused. It's a 5-amp fuse on the positive line. Stick it out to the car. There's a couple ways you could do this. First thing I tried was to take that nut off, 10mm nut off the terminal clamp bolt. It didn't really work out for me. The eyelets didn't really fit on there right, and I didn't want to modify them, so I went with another method. Okay, so this is an M6 3.0 or 1.0, so what we're going to do is get a couple of nuts. And we'll be able to put M6 3.0 on the end here. It'll go like this, because it really isn't going to work down here. So that'll be a solution to that. Okay, with that. Also, now I can turn the eyelet in almost any direction I want, and then just crank on the jam nut. That's an M1x6 jam nut. And that'll work fine. I used a thread identifier to identify the thread on this bolt. Very handy for bolts and nuts. Now we've got this long extension cable. Plug in here, and the other end we have to find a way out of the car. So it doesn't look like it'd be too hard or have to go very far, but I did have some difficulty with my first efforts to find a route through here until I found the right way. My goal is for this to end up under the license plate and resting on the bottom of the front bumper cover. Trial and error showed the best route to be under this cover. Remove 6 or 7 panel fasteners, pry them out, and then we'll be able to get going. With its top cover, radiated cover, whatever you want to call it, out of the way, now we can get something done. So here's the path we found. And then we dropped it down there and managed to end up back below the license plate. So here's a final look at the routing and cleanup of the wires. Got the excess wire tied in here, and there's where it disappears, heading for the front under the plate. And I added a couple of zip ties there to hold it in place in the front bumper cover, and here it is in action. It's been working great. No more problems with a discharged battery. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.